So, in this video, we unbox the Nike Dunk Low University Red, and we go for a Ganesh restock, the Jordan 13 Flints, and the Jordan 4 Metallic Red. So, as you may know from the last episode, I won the Foot Patrol raffle for the University Red Dunks, and they came today. Okay, we've got all the return slips, but we don't want to do that. Here we have the actual shoebox itself. We've also got a nice little receipt delivery note thing there. I don't know if you can see that. They are nice. I've always loved dunks, and I mean, wow, these are amazing. Okay, I've just been looking at them for a while, and there seems to be some defects with the shoe. I'll see if I can get them on camera. As you see there, the swoosh has some fraying on. The other side doesn't. But that's pretty bad. The leather is really creased here. I don't know why. I obviously haven't worn this shoe, but the leather's already creased, so already this probably went past StockX authentication. As you may be able to see there's some scuffing on the shoe right there. This is just the first shoe, by the way. Like, I haven't even picked up the other one yet, and they're not looking too great. But to be fair, the colours are amazing. I absolutely love dunks, and these really are just amazing. I was so lucky to win these in a Foot Patrol raffle, so shout out to Foot Patrol, because that's actually my second raffle win, and I've been entering raffles for well over a year. I don't really go too crazy on raffles, I just enter one account and pray. So right now, these are going for about £235 as of recording this. So I can hold them, and they will go up in value. I think that's pretty easy to say. They're a dunk. All the dunk releases recently have just gone up in value. But I'm not really looking to do that. I'm holding so much stuff at the moment, and I just want to get it sold. I just need to get some stuff sold to have some money for future releases. Although this month's pretty dry, I just kind of want to get my stock gone. eBay £1 fees active right now. Kind of wash out the stock and then get some new stuff in. So these would be a good hold, but I'm not going to hold them. I'm going to try to flip them. A lot of people are after these. I do think these will be a quick seller on eBay, so I'm going to get these listed. I'm going to gen some views, and yeah, I've got my pair pretty much at the same time everyone else has got theirs in hand, so I don't want to sell these while prices dip, but I do just want to make some money on them, and I'm not too fussed on getting the absolute highest price. It's the next day, and I've got some things to update you on. First of all, these University Red Dunks, I've got them listed at £280, and if they sell, I'll be making £200 profit. If these actually sell for that price, that will be very good. We'll be making £200 profit, ish. So yeah, I'm really pleased about that. Also, I managed to sell these. I got these from my local skate store, and they are the laser orange Nike SB Dunk. Let me get them out. So these things are actually so nice. I mean, I really like them. I sold them for $190, postage included. So that's about 100 profit, if not 95. So really good, really happy it sold. These will rise, and I was considering holding these, but I thought I might as well sell them. I'm holding on to a lot of stock. I'm holding on to 3 real ones at the moment. I'll probably ship them out today, if not tomorrow. And yeah, 100 profit like that. Can't complain. So the person who probably bought them is probably buying them to hold. I looked at their eBay account, and they do look like a reseller. I might be stupid for not holding them. They might be a grail in a few years, like all dunks. But honestly, I don't really mind. I just want the money. I just want to flip it. I'm not a fan of holding stuff for too long. So yeah, just trying to get it in, just trying to get it out, keep the movement of money going. And yeah, June is a pretty dry month. So yeah, the metallic 4s are coming up. I still don't know if I'm going to go for them. It doesn't seem like there's going to be too much demand for them, because 4s in the UK and in Europe in general they don't have a massive fan base like they do in the US. Jordan 1s mainly sell over here. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, I'm on the Ganesh website. There's going to be a Ganesh restock in 6 minutes. Obviously Ganesh, best Foot Locker bot out there, does Offspring as well. Now there's US foot sites. Retail, what is it? It's like $200, £200 ish. I'm not too sure. It's about that. And the resale's going for crazy. It's like 3.5, 3.6, 3.7. There's going to be an update soon. It's probably going to go for more. It's pretty crazy. I'm not going to get it. As I said, I hate bot restocks. But you've got to be in it to win it. So we're going to see what happens. Yeah, and if I don't get it, I don't get it. Right, so the time is, yeah, you can see that, 11:58, and in 2 minutes we've got the Flint 13s dropping on Offspring. I'm only going for the bigger sizes, and we're going to see what we can do. I'm running Prism, all local host, and yeah, we're going to get hopefully one checkout, because these aren't selling too well in the UK. There's just not the demand that they have in the US for these. But yeah, one pair, that'll be pretty good. And yeah, we're going to see how we do. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. As you can see, I'm really not running many tasks at all. Yeah, we can see what happens. It's Offspring, might not sell out, but we're gonna go for it. We're gonna go for it anyway, and let's see how we do. Okay, we've got 20 seconds remaining, and I'm gonna start my tasks in probably 10 seconds before the drop. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna start. Well, that isn't a good sign. You guys don't know what has just happened, but as you can see, I'm basically banned from Offspring, and my Prism flopped. But my guy Hyder, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, I had some free slots booked, and he came through, and he pulled through, and I got 2 pairs. I got a size 12, and I got a size 11. So he's in America as well, or Canada or somewhere, so I don't even know how that works, seeing as I'm in the UK and I didn't get them. But 2 pairs, I cannot complain with that. That's a good result. I don't know the footage, but big up Hyder. His Twitter will be in the description, and so much love for him, because he just got me 2 pairs. Okay, this morning, it's 7:56, and we have the Jordan 4 Metallic Red releasing. I've got Prism set up for Offspring right now. 4 tasks, because last time on the Flint release, I got IP banned. I've raised my delays. Stupidly, they were 222. Super fast. Offspring, you don't want to be having that. So now I'm running 4,000 delays. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Hopefully get a few pairs. Also, I didn't actually get any checkouts, because when I went to the PayPal link, they didn't submit because I was IP banned. So they thought I was a bot, so they cancelled the request. So yeah, that's pretty sad. But Flint 13s, they were risky, so I'm kind of happy I didn't get them, but I might just be saying that. So let's see what happens. They're also releasing on sneakers, so I've got my phone, and let's see what we can do. Okay, I've changed the IPs. It looks like there's a queue now. And yeah, new proxies. Let's see how far we can get as well with a bit of manual.
Looks like you lost another one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my god, no way! 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 Do you see that? Do you see that? Did I just cop on sneakers? No way! No way! No way! I just copped on sneakers! Shut up! I've never done that before! Shut up! What do you mean? What do you mean? I just copped on sneakers. I don't even have my fast forward key active right now. Oh my god! I just copped on sneakers. Are you serious? I've never done that before. No way! No way, I'm not even joking. That has never happened before. I've never copped on sneakers. I never ever cop on sneakers. It's real. A size 11.5 as well. No way. No. This is. I'm not. Oh my god, my voice broke. I'm not even joking. It has literally never happened before. I don't care about Prism, okay? I'm just gonna tell you right now. I don't give a fuck about Prism. If I don't cop, I don't care. I just copped on sneakers. 11.5, that is the biggest dub ever. I don't even care. It's the fact that I actually copped on sneakers. I don't think you even understand. Oh my god, I am just